So this is how the children entertain themselves when traffic is moving slow. And this is what their sister does. Did you guys even know SpongeBob was on the radio? Hey Lexi, did you know that quiet children get to play their DS?
Really?
Yeah.
I love that.
And have the iPhone. We don't have any quiet children in this car.
Wow, it's quiet here.
Does your mother rock or what?
It's really quiet in here.
I guess I have 3 good children.
Hey, I see a pink moped back there. Well, something like it looks pink from
Oh,
here.
what good children. I wonder if it will last.